Greetings from Delhi Medical Association and eMedi News. Welcome to our show, Chat with Dr. KK. We have with us Dr. Ravi Mohanka, who is a senior consultant transplant and hepatobiliary surgeon at Medanta, the Medcity. Welcome to our show.
Thank you.
A couple of minutes only.
Sure.
Take-home messages, advancements in liver surgery in our country.
Sure. So there has been at least the surgical techniques that have been there for liver surgery have increased tremendously, and so has the results. Now in the past we would not think of doing major resections, now which is a very common thing. Now indications for liver resection are being better understood, especially for colorectal metastatic disease, and I think there is more and more need for liver surgery for colorectal metastasis. Secondly, I think there is a huge need for training and use of laparoscopic and robotic surgery in liver surgery, and that is something that is going to come up in a big way.
What about liver cancers, hepatomas?
Yes, for liver cancers, most of the patients can be treated with liver resections and other liver surgeries. The only thing is that these tumors are commonly diagnosed very late. And
what are a few conditions where patients should be referred to people like you?
So, patients with liver cancer, patients with cholangiocarcinomas, bile duct cancer, so basically anybody with jaundice, then patients with biliary atresia, patients with, so any of these, any patient requiring
away from liver,
surgery.
if you would not have been a doctor, what you would have become?
I would have become a pilot maybe.
Pilot?
Yes.
Flying the pilot, okay. You have seen the brutal gang rape.
Yes.
One line comment.
I think it was a very brutal act, probably a very inhuman actually. And
any suggestion to Justice Verma committee?
There should be very severely punished such that it is an example to the society that this is not something.
And do you feel that every victim where the police approaches, the police must be accompanied by a paramedic, or the police must be trained on the cardiac first aid and the first aid?
Absolutely. The police has to be trained on the cardiac.
So what Dr. Ravi Mohanka says is very clear that for liver surgery we have full advancements. Don't worry if you have a liver cancer. Forget about that. Liver cancer patient will not survive. We have surgical techniques now available. Let's thank our guests to be with us.
Thank you.
And that's all for today. We'll come back with one more show. Till that, goodbye. Thank you.